Westminster Shorter Catechism, Question and Answer 16. Quaestio decima et sexta. Totumne genus humanum cecedit in prima Adami transgressione? Responsio, quandocquidem foedus cum Adamo ictum fuerat, non suo tantum, sed et posterordrum suordrum nomine, ex inde factum est, ut totum genus humanum ab illo generatione ordinaria procreatum in eo peccaverat, cumque eo ceciderit in prima eis transgressione. The question then, here is the ne indicating a yes or no question. Totum genus, did the race, the human one, the entire human race, fall, cecedit, in prima transgressione, in the first transgression of Adam. Genus is the subject in the neuter, singular, and nominative. The verb is cecedit from the third conjugation verb cado, cadere, which means to fall, and the tense here is perfect. It's the third principal part, cecedi. In takes the ablative transgressione with the adjective prima, and Adami is masculine, singular, and genitive, as it is possession, Adam's first transgression. And now the answer, responsio, inasmuch, quandocquidem, inasmuch as or because the covenant, and foedus is neuter, singular, nominative. It is a third declension noun, foedus foederis. The covenant had been struck, ictum fuerat. Ictum is a participle from the verb, third conjugation, icio, icere, to strike, as in to strike, a covenant. The covenant had been struck with Adam, cum Adamo, and here is the ablative Adamo, object of the preposition cum, not only non tantum suo nomine, not only with his own name or under his own name, sed et, but also in the name, nomine, of his descendants, posterordrum suordrum, and this is genitive, masculine plural, and genitive. So since the covenant had been struck, not only with Adam's name, but also with that of his posterity, his descendants, ex inde, from this, as a consequence, it happened, factum est, it happened that, and here is what happened, that totum genus humanum, the whole human race. And see then how the question, the wording of the question is repeated in the answer. The whole human race, ab illo, from him, meaning from Adam, ab illo generatione ordinaria, from him by a generation that was ordinaria, orderly in sequence, and these words, generatione and ordinaria, are feminine, singular, and ablative of instrument. The whole human race procreated, procreatum, from him, or descended from him by ordinary generation. In him, in eo, meaning in Adam, the whole human race sinned, peccaverit. This is from the verb pecco, peccare. It is a first conjugation verb, and this form here, peccaverit, is a perfect subjunctive in this ut clause, which is dependent on factum est. Cumque eo, and with him, that is with Adam, the whole human race, totum genus humanum, sinned, ceciderit. This is just like from cecedit, it is cado cadere, third conjugation, and this form, as with peccaverit, is a perfect subjunctive. Sinned in him and fell with him in prima eis transgressione, in the first transgression, namely his, Adam's. And here we see again the repetition of the wording of the question.